Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm Moto Marie, but of course you can just call me Marie. And today we're going to talk about why you shouldn't care if you're not getting a ton of views on YouTube right now. So let's talk about it. Right now, everything that we see is making us believe that everybody is blowing up on YouTube except for us. And I am in no way trying to discourage anybody, but as I created content yesterday and I spent hours and hours doing it, and I was mixing in some of the more popular videos along with the things that I was actually passionate about and interested in, I started to wonder. I don't trust any establishment, and there's always a motive behind what any large company does. So what I did was I went and I did a little research, and I think it'd be interesting to know that only 6% of accounts on YouTube or channels on YouTube are actually monetized, have the full program partnership monetization, where they have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, I know that sounds crazy because you feel like everybody around you is blowing up except for you. I'm here to let you know that that is not true. So for some of us that missed that last wave where the algorithm first changed and they started to consistently post whatever was the most popular, we still kind of have old school rules. You definitely have more of a chance of becoming not necessarily viral, but getting to monetization a little bit faster than before. But knowing that only 6% of channels have gotten the partnership deals, will that stop you from creating? Did you come on here just knowing that you had 30 days and that was going to be it? And at the end of 30 days, if you weren't fully monetized, were you going to quit? Most of us got on here because we were passionate about something, we had information that we want to share, and we knew that it takes a long time in order to get that done. Most of us knew that we were going to have to grind it out 2 to 3 days a week, posting consistently, getting better with our editing, making our content better, eventually buying better equipment. So I'm letting you know that if you're not getting hundreds and thousands of views immediately, just keep doing it. I am by no means telling you to ignore the SEO, the search engine optimization, the keywords, the tags, the thumbnails, the titles. All of that still needs to be on point. You still need to do your research to see what people are looking for and what they're trying to watch and how to fit your niche and make your content basically stand out. However, I'm just here to encourage you that if you have not started to get the traction that you think you see everybody else getting, it's okay. I'm not saying that it's a lie. I'm just saying it's not as widespread as you think it is. It's not everybody but you. So I encourage you, while you're doing the search engine optimization and talking about the most popular things on YouTube, don't forget the reason that you decided to come on YouTube in the first place. Talk about the things you're passionate about, the information that you actually came on here to share. Make sure you're taking the time to get better with editing and shooting shots, because all of that is still important. So I'm gonna leave you with this video with a challenge, 2 challenges actually. So while you're doing all the most popular videos, the things that everybody is searching for, make sure you also throw in the things that you came on YouTube to do. So whether that was a story time, you're a realtor, you wanted to talk about the housing market, you cook, whatever that is, make sure you still do the things that you're passionate about. I spent hours of making content yesterday, and the most fun I had was talking about the fact that I'm going to be doing the 75 Hard Challenge. If you don't know what that is a 75-day mental and physical toughness challenge, basically. So it'll be 75 days of a lot of working out, dieting, that kind of thing. But that was fun because that's what I actually came on here to talk about. And while I do, and I would love for you to subscribe and like and comment down below, I'm excited to build the community that I came on here to build with, the ones that are interested in the same type of content that I'm in. So I will continue to make videos like this, and I hope you subscribe and also tune into the fitness and weight loss journey videos that I plan on be posting soon. And of course, go ahead and comment down below especially if you're a new YouTube creator, and let us know what your channel is about. And then that way you can also get new subscribers. I watch just about everything on YouTube. I got rid of cable a long time ago, so the only thing I watch is YouTube. So if you have a channel down there that anybody is interested in, then go ahead and subscribe, and you do the same for them, because we're all here to support each other. And it's great because you doing well doesn't mean that I don't do well. There's space on here for everybody. So I hope to talk to you guys soon. Don't forget, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.